Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your maximum RAM. We'll start by understanding your computer's current memory situation. It's important to know how much RAM you have installed and how much is currently in use. Then, we'll look at identifying those memory-hungry applications that might be slowing things down. By closing programs you don't need, you can immediately free up valuable resources for your main tasks, making your system feel much snappier. To effectively manage your RAM, you need to monitor its usage. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Mac users can find this information in Activity Monitor. Look for the Memory tab and sort processes by their memory footprint. This helps pinpoint which applications are using the most RAM. Knowing your total installed RAM, perhaps 8 or 16 gigabytes, is crucial for assessing your system's potential. Once you've identified memory hogs, it's time to optimize. Start by disabling programs that launch automatically with your system but aren't immediately needed. Browsers, especially with many open tabs, can be major RAM consumers. Try to keep them to a minimum. For tasks like photo editing or gaming, consider if there are lighter software alternatives that perform similarly but use fewer resources, giving your system more breathing room. If optimizing software isn't enough, upgrading your RAM might be the next step. First, find out the maximum RAM your motherboard can support. This information is usually in your computer's manual or online. Also, identify the type of RAM you currently have, like DDR4 or DDR5, to ensure compatibility. When installing, consider adding new modules in pairs for dual-channel performance, which can significantly boost your system's speed and overall responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.